Hello everyone, welcome to Faisal Television. Today I have this Sony BRAVIA 55-inch Android Smart TV. The problem is double image. So I will show you how to repair double image problem. Let's get started. Sony BRAVIA 55-inch Android Smart TV. Double image problem. So how to repair double image problem? Model number KD-55X7000D. This is Tican board, power board, main board. So first of all we check input 12 volt. For 12 volt, okay. HVDD 8 volt. VGL minus 6 volt, and VGH 27 volt. It's okay. So first I remove this side FFC cable, right side. After I check half screen, still same problem, double image. So I will block some CKV lines from this side, and after I check double image is okay or not. Let's do it. So finally I found the fault is here, so I will block some lines from this side. I already blocked some lines from this side. Now let's try. Okay, done. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any information kindly contact me.